Okay, this is number 305, and this is Scratch.com. I'm sorry, you know that Hispanic, my pronunciation with the S is, I kill the S, so don't mind my pronunciation. Scratch. And this is a free game that allow children to program their own stories, game and animation through this website. Once the good part that I like the most is that once the students complete it, they can go ahead and share the stories online. And checking through it, I saw that it has animated name, you can make music, imaginary word. This is one of my favorite, create a story or an animal character. So I'm gonna click here. I really like this website. I think this can be, if I have more space, I will gladly add it to my library, and I will have them read books, listen to books, and also make their own stories. And I think this will be a great addition to any classroom. Uh, and for example, I was trying this one. Look at this one. You have a little cat, and you can choose the motion if you want the cat to walk 10 steps, or you can turn it 15 degrees around, or you can do random positions, or just if you want to change the costume, or just how the sound. I love the sound. This is the part that I like the most. So I think this will be great for students when they have free time, or when they at the library, as I already said, just to go ahead after they reading or after they listening to a story, they can go ahead. Or that can also be a nice assignment. Let's come with a story about any topic that you guys give your students. So I hope you guys like this one.